Hello, ನಮ್ಮ Kadri Cafe by the pure veg restaurant. Favorites of most of the Mangaloreans, all the doctors, police, students, medical students, engineering students, many college students do come here. Come many times here with my colleagues, now with my family. So, bale bale bale. So this is Kadri Cafe. So ಇಂಕುಲ ಆಜೆ ಜನ ಉಲ್ಲ ಟೇಬಲ್ಗೆ 4 ಚೇರ್ ಪತ್ತರು ಮೂಜಿನೆತ ಜಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಪುಚ್ಚದ ಕಿನ್ನಿದ ಜಾಗಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಲ್ಪಲಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೂಜಿನೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ಗೆ ಬೈದ. So this is the menu and my favorite is dahi puri. So definitely I'm going to take. I came yesterday, that's why the waiter is looking at me again. So today again here. So dahi puri is very famous here. Puri masala dosa is very famous. Then here coffee and tea, they say it's very good. I don't drink coffee and tea. I drink Horlicks. So Horlicks is very nice. Let's see what we are going to order. Okay.
So now Reshma is trying dahi puri. Osana bitar. Asona. Try. Yes. Breast आगे.
Nice, very nice.
I am trying my favorite sweet potato podi.
Taku MRS 800.
एक फुल रेडी है घी पूरी मसाला
अच्छा हमारा बंस टेस्ट करो और बोलो कैसा है.
पूरा बता
This is Horlicks. Ouch, it's hot. Nice. This is the last order we have received. My Horlicks makes you taller. So we are done with the day. Kadri Cafe ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಬಂದು ಜಿಂಜಿನ ಮಾತೇನು ನಮ್ಮ ತಲ್ಲೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ ಕೆಲವೇರು ಮತ್ತು ಮುಗಿ ಅಂದಿನ ಬನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಪುಡಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬನ್ಸ್ತೀನಿ ಜೋರು. See you next video. So see you all in the next vlog. ಮಂಚೂರಿ ಬಾಯ್. ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಿಡೋಣ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಖರ ಬಿಟ್ಟರು.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು?
ಆಯಿತು ನಿಂದಾಯಿತು, ಇನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಕದ್ರಿ ಕೆಫೆಯಿಂದ ನೋಡಿ.